Hi there, my name is David and today I'm going to briefly look at the two primary ways you can look at your occupancy data. One of the key benefits of deploying occupancy sensors throughout an office when compared to say using manual surveys is that they gather real-time data 24 hours a day, meaning that not only can you build up a historical bank of data, but also view your office's utilisation right now. As such, we have an analytics section of the dashboard and also a live view section. We are currently sat in the analytics section, in which you can examine your key metrics, as shown here, and also identify trends across departments, floors, and even buildings. In the live view, which is shown here, you can then see which of your assets are currently in use right now. This room is clearly not available while this one is currently free. This section can be incredibly helpful as a room finding tool, and the data gathered can also integrate with a room booking system to release spaces if a room is actually free. If you'd like to learn more about what to consider when examining your meeting room occupancy, please do check out our video on key metrics. Thank you very much.